Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends.
Y'all, this wig is so freaking cute. It's mostly glueless, y'all. It is a full 13 by 6 inch frontal, but the cap construction allows you to wear it pretty much glueless. I did go in and just spray right here around my ears so that it would lay super close to my hair, and just in case the hair like kind of flew up in the wind or something like that, it would be secure here. But you can wear this wig fully glueless if you would like. This wig has something in it that I've never seen before. It has silicone grip right here on the lace by the ear tabs, and it also has it in the very back, and it just works to keep the wig in place, y'all. It looks so good. It feels so good. It doesn't take long to install this wig, and it has these 4C natural edges on it, y'all. So this is their natural curl texture. It's like a kinky straight wig, but it has these curls that come with it. Imagine you wand curling your kinky straight hair or your yaki straight hair. That is this texture, and I think it's so beautiful because I hate having to curl extremely thick kinky straight or yaki straight hair. It takes a hot minute, and sometimes it doesn't hold a curl. But this wig is already styled for you. They have been doing a bomb job with these glueless wigs. Y'all have seen me install a bunch of glueless lace closure wigs, but this is my first time installing a frontal wig glueless like this, except for just right here on the ear tab area. I think that this hair looks really good. I love it with this red lip. I did a short on this red lip, so if you're interested in that, I will leave a card up top for y'all. I want to give a big thank you to 𝐿_African for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. So this wig is on a glueless fitted cap. It has extra parting space. It has 6 inches of parting space back. These kinky 4C edges in the front just make the wig look more natural. It has HD lace, and it really does blend in nicely with your skin. Also, this wig is 180% density, and I feel like this density is perfect for this texture. It looks really nice. The hair is soft, and it doesn't feel heavy. Even though it looks like it's a lot of hair, it's not heavy whatsoever, y'all. If you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig today from 𝐿_African, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from 𝐿_African hair. It did come with some freebies. It has some wig clips in here, a comb, edge brush. It also has a melting band and an HD wig cap. And next we have the actual wig. It comes in this beautiful satin bag that I love to reuse to store my wigs once I'm done wearing them. And then the wig comes in this plastic bag. The style number of this wig is GW06. It has a natural hair color, and it is 26 inches long, y'all. So let's get into this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the netting around it. It's like a kinky straight texture, but it's been styled in these nice spiral curls. It's really pretty. Like, it has a nice coarseness to it, which I'm loving. I think this is gonna look super bomb on. I've never received a wig that looks just like this before. And here is what the hairline looks like. As you can see, it does have the kinky edges around the entire hairline to make it look more natural. So here is the inside of the cap. As you can see right off the bat, it is a 13 by 6 inch lace frontal wig. It has HD lace on it, and it's 6 inches of parting space here in the middle. And look at this, y'all. I've never seen a wig with this. Do y'all see these silicone like grips right here? I think this is going to allow the wig to be worn glueless. So I'm going to apply this wig glueless today, this frontal wig glueless, which is unusual of me. And then in the back here, it also has this silicone grip as well. I'm so excited to see what exactly that does. It also has this adjustable band so you can tighten the wig around your head. And then it has 3 wig combs in the front here, 2 on either side, 1 in the middle. And then it has 1 big wig comb in the back. I'm not gonna apply my foundation under the lace just yet. Since it has that silicone piece on it, I wanna see how it's going to fit first. Let's go ahead and put the wig on and see what it's looking like. I always put this wig comb in the back in. I feel like it really keeps the wig in place. And oh, it feels very tight where those silicone wig grips are, y'all. So I really do think this is going to keep the wig down in place. So I'm really excited to go ahead and take off all this extra lace and see how it's laying down. So as you can see, this hairline looks really nice, y'all. Do you see all the kinky edges on the wig? It looks very nice and natural. I love that. Let's go ahead and remove all this excess lace in front of the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and separate behind the ear. Basically, I just see where my hair is under the lace, and then I start to cut around that area. So I see my ear is right here, and I'm gonna pull it back. I am gonna cut a little bit into that silicone area, and then I'm gonna cut off this extra part here. And now it's sitting nice and secure next to my ear, y'all. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, y'all. I'm just using eyebrow scissors for this step, y'all. And then I'm gonna cut a little bit more right here in the middle. I want it to be a little further back, so I'm just gonna remove that extra lace right there. Don't be afraid to cut where the baby hairs are on this wig. This area right here is a little bit lifted, but that's okay because honestly, it's not that big of a deal to me. But if you want it to lay right here, you could spray down this area. Like what I would do personally is I would just pull the hair down and it covers that area anyways. So you really wouldn't see it. So we're gonna lay this left hand side first. I'm gonna go ahead and pin that hair out the way. I'm gonna use my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Spray. I'm just gonna spray it right here where it was lifting. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer on a cool setting and let it dry. And now it's laid nice and flat right here, but all right here is still completely glueless, y'all, okay? So we've got a party in the middle because it's glueless. And then right here by the ears, it is just laid down enough so that it sits nice and flat and flush. This just looks so nice and natural, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'll be back so we can style her up. So I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, as you can see, and I think it turned out super cute. If y'all want a makeup tutorial, give this video a big thumbs up. But let's go ahead and style this wig up. So I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Finish Concealer and NW43, and I'm going to apply it to my parting area. I love the way that this instantly just makes your parting area pop. I'm going in with my Ebin wax stick. Y'all already know I'm going to do this every time, baby. And then I'm gonna take my olive oil spritz around the parting as well. I'm gonna take my Infinity Pro hot comb and go just on this parting area. Oof, I felt that. Then I'm gonna use the back of the comb just to get it nice and flat here. So the hair is already styled in these gorgeous natural curls. So all we're gonna do is just comb through them a bit with this wide tooth comb. Just kind of break it up and pull it out. We don't want to disturb the hair too much, but I do want it to be a little bigger. And I'm gonna do the same on this side, y'all. Here is the final look. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think it's super cute. I have never done like these kinky edges with this kind of curl pattern before, and I think it looks really good. So I want just a little bit more volume at the top. So I'm gonna do a little bit of back combing. I'm gonna tease the hair. I don't ever really do this. Nothing too crazy, y'all. Just a little. This wig install turned out super cute, y'all. I have been all about wigs already coming, styled, ready to wear that you can potentially wear glueless, y'all. I mean, who wants to sit here and be installing their wig all day, every day and styling it? Like, ain't nobody got time for that. If I could just throw my wig on my head and it looks bomb, I'm gonna be happy with that over having to do the most to get that wig looking good, you know? So if you're interested in checking out this wig from wowafrican, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. I want to thank you so much for your continued love and support. It really does mean so much to me. Y'all have been showing up and out for your girl, and I truly do appreciate that. This year is almost coming to a close, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all are like the besties that I wish I had in real life, but we have this right here. So let's get a little dialogue going on in the comments section. I love chatting with y'all. And if you would like to see this red lip, how I did it, y'all know what to do. Definitely click the box right here.